YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video. Today is Wednesday, and it's currently about 4:30 a.m. in the morning. I just finished trading, which means that again we can't do a 15-minute run today, man. But as I got good news for y'all, I got good news today. We took a one, we won today, and if you follow me on IG, man, you already seen the results. Every single time that I win or lose, I post my results on IG, man. So go follow me on IG. The link should be in the description, man. But listen, man, so it was such a great win because it was a $1,467 win, which means that we made the loss that we took yesterday and we made double more of that. You know what I'm saying? So let me explain to you guys the trade that we took. All right, man. So it turns out that the video that I recorded this morning didn't have any audio, so I'm doing this video, I'm doing this explanation later on in the day. Right now I'm done working, we got back to the house, I already showered, did everything that I had to do throughout the day, and I was editing the video, and it just turns out that the video where I'm explaining to you guys the trade that I took didn't have any audio. So right now I'm about to explain to you guys the whole trade again, what was I looking at and everything, you know what I'm saying. So this is the trade that we took. As you guys can see, it was an amazing win. Let me go to the topstepx account. I don't want you guys to see my login, so let me see if he asks. Okay, it doesn't ask. Launch topstepx. You guys can see the proof. It was a $1,467 win, and if you guys want to see the orders, is right there. You know what I'm saying? It was an amazing win. And let me explain to you guys, because today's trade was a little bit interesting. It looks normal here, but how you might be asking, how did you get a $1,467 loss when you went for a one-to-one? How does that work? Because as you know, I'm risking $700 per trade. So let me explain to you guys this, man. Before I even explain to you guys the trade, let me explain to you why this happened. So let me go to the time when I'm trading. The time that I trade is at, let me mark for you guys the exact trade that I took. So the exact trade that I took, it was supposed to be this demand down here, I believe. So it was the entry 335, the entry was 340. So yeah, this was the demand. Look, I go based on my FXCM charts. I don't go based on my futures chart. When I'm trading, I'm looking at this chart. I'm not looking at this chart. All I'm using this is for to take trades. All I'm using this to click buy and sell. That's it. I'm not using it for nothing else. So when I'm analyzing the market, when I'm seeing what kind of order I'm going to take, am I going to take buys or sells? I'm analyzing the market on FXCM charts. That's where I'm analyzing the charts. And as you guys can see, we came down to this demand and it tapped the demand. But on the futures chart, it didn't tap. That was the demand on the futures chart and it never tapped. But I got in for a one-to-one once this candle got broken right there. And I was aiming for a one-to-one based on the futures chart. That was my one-to-one, right? But look at this. I don't know what that means. iPhone could, okay, don't worry about the notification if you guys are seeing it. You know what I'm saying? That my one-to-one was supposed to be on this candle somewhere around here. That was my one-to-one based on the futures chart, but I don't go based on the futures chart. So when I was right here, I had my $700 win and I was tempted to take it out, but I was like, when I'm analyzing these trades, I don't take profit on the futures chart. I take profit in these charts. I go for one-to-ones in these charts. I don't go for one-to-ones here. So as you guys can see, when I took profit, it was this candle after the red one. So the candle after the red one. Okay, so this is the red candle right here. This is the red candle, and this is the green one. Look, I literally took profit right there. That was almost a 1 or 2 on the futures chart, even though on the FXCM chart, It was a 1-to-1. That's the reason why I ended up having a $1,467 win. Because you know what I'm saying? It's just, for some reason, on the futures chart, it was just going crazy up, but on the FXCM chart, it wasn't moving up like it was moving in the futures chart. So that's the reason why we took a big win today, even though we went for a 1-to-1. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't really make sense, to be honest. I was confused. I had my stop loss right there as well, and look all the profit that we made. It was almost a 1-to-3. So listen, we I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I go based on what this chart is telling me. My bad, y'all. My phone just fell to the fucking ground. Hopefully, it didn't break because it was bad. It wasn't too good. I'm gonna put it somewhere else. Put it right there. But yeah, man. Listen, that was the. Let me explain to you guys the trade that I took as well, because I gotta explain that as well. Okay, so what was I looking at? First thing that I do in the morning when I wake up is I go to the 1 hour. And what was I seeing in the 1 hour? I see that we have this right here. I see that we came up here, we came down, we came up for these highs again. We couldn't break the high, but we finally broke above. So once we broke above, we have a break of structure right there, and then the price comes down again, comes down and breaks above again. And it gives me another break of structure right there. You know what I'm saying? So when I come into the market, I'm automatically thinking buys. We're going for buys. This is looking like a bullish trend. So when I come to the market, I also see that we have this break of the candle right here. I mean, break of structure right here. We left that break. We did a break of structure, and we left a 5 minute demand down here. So when the market came down to the 1 hour 5 minute demand, and he gave me the break of the candle right here, I got in. I put my stop loss 1-to-1, aiming for a 1-to-1, and that was it, man. And we were in this trade for a long time, and we were in this trade for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It was a long trade. I ain't gonna lie. When we were in this area right here, I thought about closing and break evens for so many times, but the reason why I didn't close the break even is because of the simple reason that we never closed underneath the 13 SMA. What is the 13 SMA? The 13 SMA is this blue line that goes along the price. I was like, if any of these candles closes underneath the blue line, I'm cutting the trade. And as you guys can see, none of these candles closed. This candle came very low, but it closed above the 13 SMA. So I was like, kept on holding. As long as we don't close underneath, I will keep on holding. And that's what happened, man. Listen, it was a crazy win. It was an amazing win. And that's the reason why we took this trade today. And listen, I thought about making a day in the life today, but I'm gonna just leave it at this, man. I'm gonna just end this video right here because I didn't record as much today. I didn't record some things. We had a long trip. We had a 3 hour and a half hour trip from New Jersey up to New York, where I am right now, upstate New York. So that's the reason why you guys are seeing this. This is an Airbnb. You know what I'm saying? So we're staying away. We're gonna be here for a few days, and it's amazing, man. It's amazing because I'm literally 5 minutes away from the job site, so I don't have to wake up as early as I used. I mean, I'm gonna wake up at the same time, but I don't have to get ready to go to work as early as I used to do, because, as you know, when I was in New Jersey, I was getting ready to go to work at 4:45. Now I can get I can start getting ready by 6:45. So we have like a 2 hour difference. You know what I'm saying? We have a lot more time, which means that we can focus on this taking the right trade more. Because sometimes what would happen is that, because I know that I don't have a lot of time to trade. I know that I'm running low on time. I kind of force trades only for the simple reason that, you know what I'm saying, I'm running low on time. So right now, we have a lot more time, and we get the chance to be more disciplined. We get the chance to be more patient to wait for the right setups. And as you know, we took a big win today. So tomorrow, I'm not trying to give my money away to the markets. I'm actually planning on taking a quality trade, a trade that makes sense, and we are going to have the time for that, man. So tomorrow, I will take it easy. I don't want to give my money away to the market again. So listen, man, that's the reason that I don't know what the hell I was gonna say, but anyways, man, y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive. You already know, man. You guys will see me here tomorrow, same time, same channel, same place, same everything, man. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all try to get better every single day, y'all stay disciplined in the markets. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna just finish this video right here. Today's video, simple but valuable, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And without further ado, this video is now over.